Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you a secret tool that's changing the way creators work. It is called DubDub and it is more than just a voice generator. With DubDub, you can instantly turn your text into natural human-like speech. The voices aren't robotic and they come with real tone, emotion, and personality. If you want the full control, you can even clone your own voice with it so that your projects always sounds like you without recording every time. But that's not all. DubDub also supports dozens of languages and accents that makes it perfect for reaching the audience worldwide. You can also adjust the pitch, the speed, and emotion to match the exact style that you want, whether it is the YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, or even ads. On top of that, DubDub has AI avatar subtitles and translations. That means you can just take a simple script, then you can generate a realistic voiceover, add the captions, and even create a talking avatar all in one platform. The best part is that you can try it absolutely for free. You can test the features before deciding if you want more advanced options. So, if you have been spending hours recording and editing your own voiceovers, DubDub could be the game changer you have been waiting for. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.